Hey there, most folks think November means gardening is over, but I'm here to tell you, don't pack up those gloves just yet. The cold isn't the end, it's actually the secret to sweeter, more flavorful veggies. Today, I'll show you 5 crops you should plant this November for a winter and early spring harvest that'll wow your neighbors. There's something special about digging into cool soil and knowing you're setting up next season's bounty. So grab something warm to drink, bundle up, and let's dive into the 5 crops that thrive in the chill. Before we dig in, take a second to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all our gardening tips and tricks. Whether you've got raised beds, a backyard plot, or just a few containers, these picks are for you. Let's get planting. First up, the allium family, garlic and onions. Garlic needs the cold to develop its best flavor. Plant cloves pointy side up, 2 inches deep, and space them out. Onions, especially overwintering types, love chilly nights. Nestle sets or seedlings an inch below the soil and add mulch. That mulch keeps the soil cozy and protects from freezes. Alliums are tough and ice storms won't stop them. By spring, you'll see strong shoots and get a jump on your harvest. They're low maintenance. Just plant, mulch, and check in occasionally. If you're new to winter gardening, garlic and onions are the perfect place to start. Next, root veggies such as carrots, beets, and turnips. As temperatures drop, these roots turn starches into sugars, making them extra sweet. Direct sow seeds in loosened soil, cover lightly, and add a thin mulch layer. In mild winters, they'll grow slowly. In cold ones, they'll wait for spring to sprout. Either way, you'll get tender, sugary roots that beat anything from the store. Root veggies are patient with no bolting or woodiness in winter. Plant now, and you'll dig up delicious buried treasure before most folks start their spring gardens. Craving greens in winter? Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are your go-to crops. Spinach gets sweeter after a frost, and all 3 can handle snow and cold. Succession plant every couple weeks for a steady harvest. Sow seeds in a sunny, well-drained spot, cover lightly, and mulch. These greens bounce back after freezes and are packed with vitamins. With a little planning and maybe a row cover, you'll have fresh salads all winter. Don't let November stop your salad dreams. Keep the green goodness coming. Let's talk legumes, fava beans, and overwintering peas. These hardy crops thrive in cold soil and set roots all winter. By early spring, they'll shoot up and produce pods before most other plants. Legumes also fix nitrogen, enriching your soil for next season. Sow seeds 2 inches deep, mulch, and use a frost blanket if winters are harsh. They're tough and don't need much fuss. Plant now and you'll enjoy early harvests and healthier soil. A win-win. Don't forget the brassicas. Broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. These veggies love the cold, which makes them sweeter and keeps pests away. Plant seedlings now in well-prepped soil, giving each plenty of space. Use a frost blanket or cold frame for extra protection if needed. Keep them mulched and watch for critters, but they're tough through winter. There's nothing like harvesting a frosty head of broccoli in the cold. Brassicas prove your garden can thrive, even in winter. So, what are you waiting for? 5 crop groups you can plant right now for a winter harvest. Don't let your bed sit empty. Keep fresh food on your table all season. Winter gardening is easier than you think with the right crops. What will you overwinter this year? Let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips. And let's make this November the start of something beautiful. Until next time, happy planting!